sports car here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Nice looking fastback. Black on black with factory black wheels, as you can see. This particular car, a little over 33,000 miles. It was 33,600 and some odd miles. One thing I did want to announce, this was manufacturer buyback at approximately 30,000, was then fixed to Ford specs and has been resold. Underneath the hood, 5-liter Coyote engine, V8 in it, 6-speed manual transmission paired up with that. Of course, all your amenities: power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let you get a good look at the front fascia on this. It's kind of tough with the black and the light. Get a lot of glare when you got a nice black paint. But you can see the front grille fascia, get a good look at that. There's a few little touch-ups I did notice. Yeah, if I can even get them to stand out. Maybe one little one like right there. Heat extractor hood. Take a look up and down the passenger side here. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, it's black. It's been driven 30,000 miles, so you're going to have a few imperfections here or there. Tires have been replaced from new, or since new, in the last couple years. Has been recently aligned, oil change this spring. It's ready to go. Cloth bucket seats. There's that 6-speed shifter down in the center console. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay. Check out the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Windows have been tinted, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. So you may want to check with state and local laws depending on your darkness allowed as far as the tint goes and how much light. We'll go through it when tested, so just something for a heads up. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, some of the equipment on this car does have the sync audio system to it, as well as the dual climate control. It does have the driver's information center with track apps. We're going to start it up so you can hear it. Listen to it run. I want to let you look at this driver's side real quick first too, and you see the reflection coming off the paint. Reflection of the showroom all the way to the front door. And again, sometimes it's tough to get the camera and pictures to do justice to black in here, sometimes with how much it reflects. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, all your modern amenities. Power seat both sides. All the steering wheel controls. And again, for radio, obviously your phone with the sync system in it. And your driver's information controls will be there also. And of course your cruise. All right. Let's check out. There would be your main menu. So of course you could scroll through there if you wanted to see what the track app is. Let's click on there. Status screen, everything else. All the way down to line lock if you wanted it. Go back out of there. Driver assist, all your settings, trip and fuel, gauge modes. That's kind of your driver's information center. Now miles. As you can see, 33,620. The only lights on over here are seat belt and driving lights, daytime running lights, so no warning indicators, anything like that. Check out your sync radio system. As you can hear, radio does work. Of course, you'd have dual climate control, traction control, push button start, of course. Extra gauges for vac, oil pressure. Dash is in nice shape. Should get a little idea how it sounds. Nice sounding car. And cloth buckets. Slip around to the back so you can hear this nice low throaty rumble coming out of that 5-liter. Menacing looking car in all black, especially with the smoked windows. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood popped. Now, no accidents indicated, anything like that in the Carfax. Smooth running engine. I believe these were mid 400 horse range somewhere on the stock GTs. Haven't really seen much as far as modifications, anything like that. Give you an idea how it sounds. There you go, 2018 Ford Mustang GT. A little over 30,000 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.